How to use advanced feature in Peacock. Peacock offers a various advanced feature related to accessibility, content management, security, and specific interactive experiences for live sport. Now, basically, most content includes subtitles option, closed captioning. You can activate this from the player menu by selecting the text bubble icon or audio and subtitle during the playback as well. And for many titles and English ED, option is available in audio and subtitle menu, which provides a narrative description describing key visuals element of the show or movie as well. After which you could go with the content management, that is My Stuff watch list. You can create a watch list to save movies, shows, and live event for later viewing. To add an item, you just want to go to the detail page and select add to watch list button. Your saved content will appear in the My Stuff section. You can also create up to 6 unique profile, a mix of regular and a kid profile. And on one account, this allows you to set specific maturity rating for different user, ensuring age appropriate content as well. And this way you should be able to use advanced feature in Peacock. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.